Hello everyone, welcome to Toysmatic. Today I came up with another cute toy for reviewing. Let's open it and see. So before opening, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you want update about my videos, please press the bell notification. So let's open and see what's inside this. So you can see there are two cute little toy. So these are the toys. So this looks very cute. These are tractor for kids. These are farm tractors. So one is trolley and the other one is harvester. These toys are friction. These are not operated by any battery. You have to move it like this is. You have to do with friction only, then they will move. So first the harvester. So the plastic quality is very good, I can say. This looks more like a tanker only. So if you move, it makes sound. Here is some small structures, and this rotates. This is for harvesting. You can see in a bigger one, original one. This is used for harvesting this type of tractors, and you can move this way. The color is orange and it really looks cute. It is the size of my palm only, you can see. So, and this is the tractor, and this is the tractor, you can see. So the bucket moves upward and also it comes downward. So this also moves, opens and closes. The back tire are bigger than the front one, and the part material is very good. So this is how it looks like, you can see. So the plastic is really good and sturdy, and it is written that the plastic is safe for kids also. So this way it moves. So let's test it and see. So you can see if you push, it will go. So it's a push and go toy. So if you want your kids to give something which is not battery operated, and they can play around by just pushing that one, and this two toy will be really good for them. And this agricultural tractors will be really fun for kids, but it is written that this particular toys are made for children with age group of 3+ years, and like the plastics are kid safety, means they are good quality of plastics, and like they can be carried anywhere since they are small, and they can be played anywhere. So with this I end my video. So please keep liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel, and supporting me. Thank you.